guys, what's going on? It's Shitzy with another video, and today, in this video, I'm going to be doing a vlog for Super Slime Festival, the Brazilian slime event that I am attending. It has a ton of amazing Brazilian slimers and also American slimers such as these guys, and yeah, it's gonna be really fun. And this is just a vlog basically of preparing, because I'm going to bring a lot of slimes and a lot of supplies. So I have one of my clear slimes made. This is my pink sugar scrub. It is a clear glue based slime. It's really thick and it's still clearing up, but it is crystal clear. It is scented pink sugar scrub. And it comes with these like little cute scrub cubes. It has a really nice texture, and it also has little heart sprinkles throughout. The next slime that I have is a icy. I'm taking a bath. This is completely random, but yeah, I want to do this. Oh my gosh. I got this for Christmas, so it's like old. It might not work. Okay, so here are all the cloud slimes. I have not fully decorated them because I ran out of the decorations. So I'm gonna go buy some this week, I think. But here's the slime. It's called Mermaid Cereal. It's super cute. Here was some extra cloud slime from it. It's so good and it doesn't have any fallout. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I updated. It is actually 11 days till Super Slime Festival, so less than 2 weeks. And I need to do major preparing, but the power actually went out in like our apartment. They shut it down for like something. And I can't use my mixer, that means, which sucks, but I guess I'm going to update you guys on what's happening. I have here my Nutella for the Nutella and waffle slime DIY kit, and I don't have enough of it, so I was going to make some more. It's so creamy and good, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm putting my slimes up here to keep them, and oh my god. I was putting my thick and glossy base up there, and I had like pretty much like 2 gallons of it, and it almost fell like all over me, like the box, it almost fell on me. So that was great. Okay, and here I have the slimes I've already packed. I have the waffle for my waffle and Nutella kit, and then also I have fruity cream cheese, and I have unicorn Pop-Tart. Cheddar! So it is the 5th, so basically 9 days till Super Slime Festival. This is fruity cream cheese. It is so cute. So I'm just watching Stranger Things because I have never watched it before, and everybody's hyping it up because of the new season. It is my new icy slime for Super Slime Festival. It is Dr. Pepper slush. It is a super sizzly and like fluffy icy slime. I've basically packed almost every slime, but I have to label them because I have 4 different types of labels I put on my slimes. I have the front logo, and then I have the warning label, and then I have scent label, and then I have the bottom label of the slime. That one doesn't have one, but like this one does. Hey guys, so I'm about to pack my last slime. It is the 9th, and I have all these containers laid out. And I've packed every other slime, and they're almost all labeled. Okay guys, so here are almost all the slimes for Super Slime Festival. I need to grab my Polenta slime, Polenta fries, but I have fruity cream cheese here, I have waffle and Nutella, and mermaid cereal. The labels are so cute, oh my gosh. Hey guys, so it is Friday the 12th, and Super Slime Festival is the day after tomorrow, and I'm going to be heading to the hotel today. I'm just packing up my table because I was setting it up to see how I wanted it to look.